everybody, Miss Ixchel here. Welcome back to week 2 of the Children's Poetry Workshop. I loved getting all of your acrostic poems in our email and reading them. So much fun. If you haven't already, make sure that you email us your work if you want some cool feedback. Now remember that rhyming poems are just one kind of poem. There are so many different kinds. Today we're just going to learn one. Today we're going to talk about end rhymes. End rhymes are when the ends of a line rhyme together. We're going to learn different types of schemes, so stay tuned for that. But an example of the end of a line rhyming is, "Hi, my name is Miss Ixchel, and I'm doing very well." In that poem you hear Ixchel and well rhyme. They sound like they fit together. There are different types of rhyming schemes within a stanza. Now a stanza is typically 4 lines, and we like to call it like a little group in a poem. First, let's look at AABB. Today I went and got a cat, then made him a little hat. We played outside in the sun, and we had a lot of fun. Now in this rhyming scheme, you can see the blue and the yellow, cat and hat, then sun and fun. The first 2 lines rhyme AA, and the last 2 lines rhyme BB. Now let's look at ABAB. Today I went to get a dog. Her name is Clementine. She eats just like a hefty hog, but that suits me just fine. In this rhyming scheme, we followed the blue and yellow of A, and then B, and then A, and then B. The third type is ABCB. Today I went to get a mouse, and then I named him Sal. He likes to watch TV with me because he is my pal. Now you can see our A line is the blue. Nothing else rhymes with it because there's no other A in this title for ABCB. We have the yellow, Sal and pal, who go together as B, and then we have C, me, with nothing else rhymes with that either. So you have the blue, A, B, which is in yellow, C, which is in white, then blue, which is in yellow. Finally, let's look at AAAA. By now, you probably understand where we're going with this, so let's check one out. This is my new snake. He likes to be called Jake. He loves to cook and bake and go play in the lake. This is AAAA because all of the rhymes at the end rhyme together. There's no B or even C. It's all A. And those are 4 types of rhyming schemes for end rhymes. Now, we've learned 4 different kinds. Let's put our knowledge to the test. What type of rhyming scheme is this? Did anybody say AAAA? If you did, you're right. Congratulations. Now let's see the next one. Did you guess ABAB? Great job, you're right. Now let's see the next one. If you said AABB, you are correct again. You're doing so great, let's do one more. Did you say ABCB? If so, awesome job, you got it. Awesome job today. I had so much fun with you, like always. We actually learned a whole lot today. So if you're feeling a little overwhelmed or confused, the great thing about our virtual classroom is that you can play this video over and over again, pause it wherever you need to, and make sure that you understand everything that we're doing. Now at home, you're gonna write your very own poems. You can do 1 or you can do 50. You can pick your very own rhyming scheme. You can do AAAA, or if you really liked ABAB, you can do that too. If you really want to challenge yourself, I would love for you to try one of each and then see how you do. You can have 1 stanza, you can have as many stanzas as you want to create a full poem with a full story. Really up to you, the sky's the limit. Well, that's all for today. Next week, we're going to talk about non-rhyming schemes and how you can work that into your poetry books that we're working on. Again, I love getting all the work from you and seeing all the great work you're doing in Miss Valerie's drawing class and Mr. Moku's writing class. See you next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. Bye!